If you're trading in 2025 and want to sharpen your setups on TradingView, 3 indicators have consistently stood out: Target Trend by Big Beluga, RSI Histogram by D-Man, and Stop Out from XNES. Starting with Target Trend, this indicator is a solid choice for swing traders who want clear directional cues without the distraction of noise. To find it, just open TradingView, hit the Indicators tab, and type in Target Trend. The version by Big Beluga will pop right up. Once applied, it appears on your chart, and you can tweak the settings to match your preferred strategy. What makes Target Trend popular is its ability to smooth out short-term volatility and avoid overfitting, which means you get a cleaner picture of where the market is headed. Whether you're trading crypto, forex, or indices, it helps you focus on the bigger trend without second-guessing your entry and exit points. Now, switching gears to RSI Histogram by D-Man, this one gives a fresh spin on the classic RSI tool. Instead of a traditional line graph, it presents RSI movements as a histogram. This visual approach makes spotting momentum shifts or potential reversals more intuitive. To find it, you'll follow the same process. Go to the Indicator tab and type RSI Histogram. The version by D-Man is the most widely used, so it's a safe bet. Traders rely on this for better timing their entries, especially in short-term trades within crypto and forex markets. It's excellent for detecting divergences early and reading momentum build-ups that aren't always obvious with the standard RSI line. Finally, if your trading involves leverage, Stop Out by XNES is an essential risk management tool. Unlike the other two, it doesn't signal trades directly, but instead monitors how close your margin is to being stopped out. This real-time visualization of risk exposure is vital when you're trading leveraged forex or any highly volatile assets with tight margin buffers. You add it the same way as the others by searching in TradingView. It acts as a live alert system, helping you keep your risk in check before it's too late. Whether you're a swing trader, short-term scalper, or leverage trader, combining these indicators can significantly improve your trading performance in 2025 and beyond.